Crude oil price today. WTI price bearish at European opening. Hello and welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I have a fresh update on crude oil price action for today, Monday, October 24th, 2022. The price of West Texas Intermediate crude oil is slightly down this morning during the European session. The price of oil has been moving lower since the beginning of the day. Right now, as I'm recording this, the price of oil is hovering around $93.10 per barrel. It's very slightly down from Friday's close. Technically speaking, it's slightly higher, but in essence, it's bearish. We are seeing some profit-taking here as the weekend's rally is giving way to some more rational thinking. Last week, we saw an incredible rally in energy prices, particularly oil and natural gas. Natural gas just continues to go higher and higher. Oil had a very strong rally as well. And oftentimes, when we see this type of move in energy prices, it's followed by some profit-taking, which is exactly what we're seeing right now. As I mentioned in my previous videos, the price of oil is highly dependent on the US dollar price action. The dollar index is currently trading at 111.6, having found some support after last week's correction. The dollar index is moving sideways at the moment, consolidating, but oil is moving lower. So this is showing us that there is still some correlation between the two, between the dollar and oil. However, the correlation is not as strong as it was in the past. Looking at the weekly chart, you can see that oil prices have been under pressure for many months now due to the strong dollar. Prices have been moving lower since the beginning of the year, but this is a good sign because it means that the worst may be over. We've seen a very strong rally in oil prices since the beginning of October, and we're seeing some consolidation now, some profit-taking. This is healthy for the market. This is what happens when you have a relief rally. The selling volume increases as traders take profits and the price consolidates. Looking at the daily chart, you can see that there is a lot of selling interest at these levels. We have a very strong downtrend line connecting the highs of the last 3 months. Right now, the price of oil is below this downtrend line. This is a very important level to watch. A break above this level would signal a further price increase. But for today, I think that the price will stay around these levels. We may see some volatility in both directions, but overall, I don't expect any major price swings today. The market is digesting last week's rally. So to sum things up, the price of oil is moving sideways to slightly lower this morning during the European session. The price is consolidating after last week's rally. I don't expect any major price swings today. The market is digesting last week's rally. Traders are taking profits. The correlation between the dollar and oil is not as strong as it was in the past. This is a good sign. The worst may be over for oil prices. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Bye for now.